Peter Pan flies into the children's bedroom.
Where is it? I can't find it.
Who are you? What are you doing?
Looking for my shadow. Here it is.
Who's that?
I'm Peter Pan.
Where are you from?
I'm from Neverland.
What strange name.
Do you want to see? Come with me.
We are flying!
Peter and the children fly to Neverland. Peter Pan and the children arrive at the camp.
Here's a new friend.
Hello. The pirates are coming.
What do they want?
They want Peter. Captain Hook hates Peter Pan. And pirates like fighting.
Okay, Aaron, go over the bridge and hide into the cave.
They fight with the pirates.
Captain Hook captures Wendy and Mike.
Ha ha, you're coming with me.
Where are we going?
To my ship.
On the pirates' ship, pirates are sleeping.
Wendy, I'm scared. Where is Peter?
Shh, I'm here.
Peter rescues Wendy and Mike.
Okay, tie the pirates up. You can quietly.
Tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. Peter is a crocodile. He wants Captain Hook.
Okay, time to wake up, Captain.
What are you doing on my ship? Pirates, get him!
They're sleeping now. Captain, listen.
Tick-tock, 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 tick.
Oh no, the crocodile.
Walk the plank, walk the plank, walk the plank.
Captain Hook swims away to the crocodile follows.
Help!
Hooray! Thank you, Peter.